Mira, have you read Robert Frost's Dust of Snow? It's such a short poem, but I feel there's more to it than meets the eye.
Oh, absolutely, Arav. It's only 8 lines, but Frost packs so much meaning into those lines. Let me break it down for you.
Great. Let's start from the beginning. What's the poem about?
The poem describes a simple, everyday moment when the speaker's mood is lifted unexpectedly. It begins with the speaker standing under a hemlock tree, a tree often associated with darkness or negativity. Suddenly, a crow shakes snow off the tree's branches, and this seemingly small act changes the speaker's gloomy mood.
Crow and a hemlock tree? Aren't those symbols usually linked with sadness or death?
Exactly. That's part of the beauty of the poem. Frost deliberately uses these symbols to subvert expectations. Instead of reinforcing negativity, these dark elements cause something positive to happen, a change in the speaker's mood.
So, the falling snow is the turning point.
Yes. The dust of snow falling on the speaker is a metaphor for a transformative moment. It's as if nature's small gesture reminds the speaker to see beauty and hope even in bleak circumstances.
That's so profound for such a small event. But what does it mean when the speaker says it saved some part of a day I had rude?
It means the speaker was having a bad day, filled with regret or sadness. The simple act of snow falling on him shifts his perspective, allowing him to appreciate the rest of the day rather than dwelling on his sorrow.
Wow, so Frost is saying even small things can have a big impact on our emotions?
Precisely. The poem highlights how nature has the power to heal and transform our mood.
That's such a beautiful message, and I love how Frost uses imagery to convey it. The crow, the hemlock tree, and the snow all seem so vivid.
Yes, Frost's imagery is simple yet powerful. By focusing on ordinary things, he shows how the mundane can hold extraordinary meaning.
Thanks for explaining it, Mira. I think I'll appreciate the next snowfall even more now.
You're welcome, Arav. That's the magic of poetry. It makes us see the world in a new light.
Let's go back home now. I'm freezing.
Yes, let's. And you don't forget to subscribe to the Eloquent Explorers for more videos.